Hey guys, what's up, Finn here, and welcome to a I would say it's a major milestone. So as you guys know, I make this tool called 9AnimeDl, which is basically a tool to basically rip anime off the site 9anime. Um, I made this because I mainly use Plex, and Plex, well, it can't use streams like 9anime, as far as I know at least. So with 9MDL, you can download it to a local file, um, and by doing so, you can have it either like let's say on your phone for when you go out, or um, when you expect to have no internet, when you're going in the car, traveling, all that kind of stuff, which is something that I've heard quite a lot of people ask if that was possible. And well, 9anime started out as a project just for myself and some friends, which I then decided to, um, you know, make open source and release to the public. And after 2 months of pretty hard work on it, I have finally made the 2.0 version available, or 2.0.0. It's not public, it can be downloaded by everyone. So yeah, in this video we're going to, check it out a bit and see what I've made of it. So please don't know that this is the first version after the major rewrite. So there are features that might still be missing, but don't worry, there are still some features on the roadmap. Just open the issue tracker. You can see there's a lot of features still planned for the 2.1 version. So don't worry about it. I've heard your voices. You will not be ignored like that. So first of all, you'll be greeted by a brand new interface. So it's a lot cleaner, I'd say, and it's a lot more straightforward to use as well, in my opinion. I have had some alpha and beta testers at it, and they were happy with what they saw. So as you guys know, the old 9anime was like when you go to the discovery, it was all these little things under each other. It was like one row per anime, and as you can see, it's now in the cart, just like on 9anime, just a little bit fancier, that kind of stuff. So I have kept most of the same design philosophies, like the color mainly, and the like some extra things up here. There's a search up here, which was a tab previously, and you can now access at any time. So one major feature that the new 9AnimeDl has that the old one didn't is that you can have multiple series downloading at the same time. So let's just say we want to have, let's go Magical Senpai. So we'll be loading up some things. There we go. So it has, the same episode selection, the same destination selection, the same progress that you are used to from the old versions. See, it's mostly the same. It just has some, it's a little bit cleaner in my opinion, but still probably can improve a bit. But hey, it's something for now. I just wanted to get this new version out because the old version, it used OpenLoad and StreamMango, and as we all know, OpenLoad and StreamMango went down, so it was dead in its tracks. And because the old version used YouTube DL as a dependency to get all the embed, well, not the embed links, like the actual stream URLs, I couldn't really do anything because MP4 upload was not supported, nor was Hydrex, nor was anything really. Only StreamMango and OpenLoad, which is kind of a problem because they are offline. Yeah, that doesn't work out. So a great thing with Electron is that I can use something called Puppeteer, and Puppeteer is a headless Chromium which allows me to basically automate browser things, which also is really great because instead of just instead of having to rely on third-party dependencies, developers can come in and basically puppeteer their own extraction processes, which is more helpful in the long run because I'm not as dependent on a third-party repo like YouTube DL. I'm still somewhat dependent on Puppeteer, but hey, it's Puppeteer's used a lot more and it's a lot less specific. I can basically program anything in there once, so that's great. So yeah, you can basically toggle it like you would. And well, there's the anime name, just as always. Also the file name example. Goes like that. And we go like demo. You can also scan. It should give an error or something, but that's something I have to apparently work on that I forgot. Whoops. And then you hit download. But like I said, one thing that's different from the original is that I can go to the discovery. I need to allow access to that. And I can go, for example, I want to download Ruby as well. Again, loading up some things. This can always take a little while. There we go. It just took a little while, probably because this list is so long or the server took long to respond. Could be all kinds of things. So let's just say we want episode 1 again. Well, you know the drill. Yes, that's still on the tracker as well. You select all episodes. And as you saw there, it kept downloading the other thing while I was working in here. Once we go back to Magical Senpai, we can see it's finished downloading. So that is something that has been requested a lot as well, that you can have multiple downloads going back. And my beta testers are also pointed out that once they go back to Discover, what happened is when they click another anime and you went back to the download, it just wasn't there anymore. So basically the download you were downloading was thrown in the background and you couldn't recover it. So yeah, that's something I improved on with, I think it was beta 3 out of my head. Yeah, beta 3. So yeah, you can basically search. Again, this speed is mainly dependent on 9Anime. If they are slow, this is slow. So there we go. So and fun part is when you have no result. Yeah, it seems like 9Anime. Well, Congo is not very happy about having no results. Why it bugged out there, I don't know. It shouldn't happen. But oh well. I wanted to get this feature ready as soon as possible. And we of course have the about page, so it's still blank, but this also doesn't interfere with your downloads. It's really great. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed what I made of it. It's not perfect, it never will be. I'm doing my best, and I learned Electron and Angular and TypeScript and all that kind of stuff. Literally as I built this in the past 2 months, so it's quite impressive if you ask me that I was able to build this, learn a lot of stuff surrounding it, and still have it within 2 months. And still have a job. Well, I don't have the job anymore, but you get my idea. I had a job. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Download links are in the description as always. Please leave the thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. Not really necessary, but you will get news like these sooner. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, because YouTube works nowadays. If you're watching this on Libri, please, if you can spare it, leave some tips below. And share it around if you want. That's the biggest thing. Share it around. I want a lot of people using it. I don't really care much about the money, even though there's a big fucking donate button up there. I don't care much about the money, but it would be nice to have that as well. But I mainly want to get my name out. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have fun with it. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers.